Hey guys, we are here down at the Columbus Dream Center. I am with my friend Jason. He always has a smile on his face, so now we are gonna make sure his feet match his smile. Jason, what I'm doing right now is I'm just cleaning your feet, and then I'm gonna disinfect them. And do I have permission to touch you?
Absolutely.
All right, we're gonna keep it PG. We got some breakdown in the skin in between your toes. Careful, because that's when infection happens, okay? So we're gonna get in there. Was there any discomfort?
None whatsoever.
Okay. None? Okay. I'm gonna be a little more rough. Oh, right. So Jason, when's the last time you cut your toenails?
Thank you.
Last week, right?
Probably. As far as I can remember, anyway.
So what we're gonna go ahead is we're just gonna take down some length. Perfect. How you feeling?
Oh, wonderful.
All right, so now that we've debulked it, we're gonna go up here and we're also going to just take down some of that thickness. I can see that since they were growing out that I'm seeing some of his hyponychium, so I gotta be really careful when I'm cutting so we don't cut them. Don't cut the guests.
That's right.
Because then nobody will want to come back. Jason will be out there and be like, watch out for Erica. They're looking beautiful.
Yes, indeed. Go, Erica. Woohoo. I'm gonna buy some petroleum jelly. Skin protected.
No, actually, that's like the worst thing you can do.
Is it?
Because it doesn't breathe. It backs up your pores.
What?
Yep. It just leaves that greasy residue.
Wow.
Yep.
So what is the solution for moisture?
Oh, look at you asking questions. It is actually a product called Poto Expert. And I'll have to bring you some because
please do.
you can put it in between your toes, because what I'm about to do is I'm going to clean in between your toes because your skin is getting macerated. And that makes me concerned because I don't want you to have any fungus. You guys remember what it looked like before?
Yep. Oh.
Looking good.
Shiny.
Shiny. Just cleaning them up some. I'm going to debulk this. We can already see that it's detached. I can tell by the coloration as well as just looking underneath here. So we're just gonna go ahead and cut them off. And like the nail's already like detached, so it's starting just to like crumble right off. Souvenir.
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 Yep.
Carbaid's really good for debulking quickly, but we have to run it on high speed. Low speed,
Doesn't really cut it.
it doesn't cut it. You need the speed.
That's right.
And look at it.
Wow, look at that.
Jason, you're going home with me. At
I
least
know,
your
right?
dead skin cells are.
I know, right?
It's all right, man. You're my brother.
That's right.
Perfect.
I bet she felt so loved by that.
We're about to finish, and I finally have some time to look at this heel, and we have a bunch of corns, and I can tell that it's a corn because there's like these little they almost look like little white zits, these little heads. So what I'm just gonna do is I'm gonna take my carbide, pull the skin tight. That's what happens sometimes is like we go in, and if we have gone long enough without cutting our toenails, they get thicker, they get longer, and then we can't use just basic clippers. So what I was able to do for Jason is we went in, we cleansed the feet, we went through, we cut them all down so that he'll be able to just in his home routine, because foot care routine is important. We want to keep you smiling. So what we also did too, there was a lot of dead skin cells built up in between his toes. So I just took some soapy water and a shop rag and just cleaned them out. And we had a great conversation about how like nothing with any kind of jellies in it. We want to make sure that we're not clogging the pores on the feet, because when we do, our sweat backs up. We want the foot to naturally do what it's supposed to do, which is sweat. Our feet sweat all day long. So when we put like Vaseline on them in between our toes, we're blocking those pores. Blocking that pores, the skin starts to break down. Skin breaks down, leads to infection. Infection can lead to all the things.
All
Fungus.
the alternative stuff.
Yeah, we don't want that. We don't want that. So we cut them down. They're looking fantastic. And yeah, thanks for hanging out with us. We also had some corns. They weren't bothering Jason, but I just kind of thinned that all down, softened everything for him so that he's feeling good.